My child, stop letting fear write stories that I have not spoken. You're worried about what comes next, but I am already in tomorrow preparing the blessing you can't yet see. You don't need to rush, force, or stress. Be still. I am working behind the scenes in ways that will amaze you. Every closed door, every delay, every shift you didn't understand. I am using it to guide you, protect you, and position you for something greater. My timing has never failed you, and it won't now. What I have written for your life cannot be stopped, not by fear, not by people, not by the enemy. So breathe. Release the panic. You are in the middle of a miracle you cannot see yet. If this message speaks to your spirit, comment Amen so this blessing stays over your next steps. And stay connected. I have more messages coming that you're meant to hear right on time.